What's going on, guys? So let's take a look at two hot stocks for the day. First stock that we're going to be looking at is Gevo. The stock closed at $7.94. It was up $2.15, 37% on the day. I do have the daily chart pulled up here. You can see this nice big green spike here. So all of you guys that were in today's trade, congratulations. I hope you guys took a little bit of profits and also kept a runner to see what this does for a day two, maybe a possible continuation. What I do like about this green bar here, if it can hold, is that it took out a lot of price action going all the way back to the middle of July. So you can just see here from about July 16th, 19th, all this price action here that I'm dragging my cursor over. This green bar took out all of this action, which is always very, very bullish. You can see here the red line on my screen is the 50-day moving average. We got this bump up over the 50-day moving average and cleared out the 150 simple. So it does have room possible for a day two continuation. We do have room into the $8.90 range. That is going to be this supply zone here, which is the linear regression channel 50. You can see here why we got rejected today, where we got rejected, even though it was a good run up. If we just go all the way back here to June, this consolidation and this price action here from the middle of June is where we stopped today. So if we look at this top tail here and then we kind of scroll all the way back to the middle of June, you can see we had a lot of price action here. We got met with rejection. This is already an insane move for this little tiny stock. So what we're looking for tomorrow is, can we take out today's highs, which is $8.27? If we can do that, we have room to stretch to $8.90. Obviously, any close over $8.90, $9, this thing can fly. Possibly test these highs here going back to the beginning of June, $9.65. And then obviously from there, it does have higher room. What I don't want to see is tomorrow to give back this whole green bar. So I do not want to see a red candle come all the way back down here and kind of, test this 5 and 10 day moving average in the price of $6, $6.50. I don't want to see it give up all this gains. A little red bar, inside bar is perfectly fine if we trade a little bit sideways here, maybe 1-2 days, and then get that next push up, but I don't want to give all these gains back. The next stock that I want to look at is afrm. Okay, earnings today. You can see we did have a little bit of a spike here. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so we had these highs here of 101.30, and then we kind of consolidated, and then we tried to test again, broke down, tested the 5-day moving average, could not hold that as support, especially from this big gap up. Anytime you have this really big gap up, the 5-day moving average is not going to be a firm level of support. It looks like the 10 MA is a firm level of support. We came down, touched it, and then today had this big green bar. We did get rejected at the 5-day moving average. Earnings came out. This stock is up $4.52. So what are we looking for tomorrow? We are looking to confirm today's highs. We did close at the top of the candle, and we are looking to reclaim the 5-day moving average. That price is going to be $92.61. Obviously, we had earnings. Okay, so we have earnings, and after hours, this stock is trading at 110. So if we just go to the hourly candle, okay, if we take a look at the hourly here, you see we had earnings, boom, big spike up, touched all the way to 115, and kind of backtrace and consolidate a little bit here. So what are we looking for on a day two continuation? Obviously, that $92 area that I pointed out is an area that we would want to hold. If we can see here on all of my moving averages here, that's going to correlate with the 50-day moving average, this red line here. So like I said, with the last stock, I don't want to see this big spike after hours on earnings and then to completely sell off. If we do sell off all the way down here, this is going to be our firmest area of support, which is 92.81. That's the 50-day moving average on the hourly time frame. If we do get a little bit of, a breath tomorrow, let's look for a bounce at 106, or let's look for a bounce at 99. If we get down in these, let me take this old trend line off. If we do get down in these two zones here, this $99, $100 area or this 106 area, this is an area of opportunity to potentially bounce this stock for another leg higher, possibly to test these highs here after hours at 115. If we can get all the way down here to 99, that would be even better. If the stock continues to stay strong and does not come back and test these rising supports, we are looking for a break of 115. A break of 115 could give you a quick cash flow scalp. Keep that in mind, guys, and I hope that helps. Also, if you guys want to join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below, as well as my website where I kind of show you guys how I trade these channels, these supply and demand zones. And I will see you guys all on the next video.